I'm here today with this electric toothbrush. This electric toothbrush gives sterilization options. I love this, clean, easy to use, and ultimate care. You can do deep cleaning, mild cleaning, and teeth whitening. So 3 different modes and great for different types of cleaning purposes. Portable, retractable, and great for travel. And replaceable head, so you can have a clean and ready to use brush head at all times. Ergonomic design, personalized care, safe, clean, and effective. Retractable, which makes it great for storing, traveling, and on the go. I absolutely love that. I know it's clean and ready. 3 different mode settings for ultimate clean, unique to your style. 30-second timer and a 2-minute vibration stop to help you keep track of time while cleaning. This is the ultimate clean, the ultimate toothbrush, simple, easy to use. The teeth whitening option and the deep clean option is absolutely amazing to get the most customizable clean. I love the antimicrobial interchangeable brush heads, which makes it great, easy, simple, and the ultimate clean. Once finished, you can retract it back and the sterilization process begins. You can see with the blue light that it is in the sterilization and cleaning your toothbrush. This is amazing, great, and every time you know you're getting the most clean possible. This is an amazing brush to take with you on the go and use over and over. This electric toothbrush is high quality, easy to use, it's fun, simple, has so many great quality factors. I cannot brag enough. It is rechargeable and is ready to go. Easy to use and read buttons here, so you can get the best perfect clean for you and your needs. I love this. Replaceable brush heads as well in 3 different modes for the best personalized care. I love this and you will too.